Welcome back, and today I'll show you how to remove your credit card from the Xbox Series X. All you have to do is power on your console and access this homepage, and then from the menu that appears on top of the screen, select the settings icon to access all the settings, and then within the settings, scroll down and highlight, or rather select account, and then scroll down to the bottom and select payment and billing. Choose that, and then type in your PIN when prompted, and then from here select the payment options, select that, and then find the Visa you'd like to remove. So if you have a couple of them, highlight on it, and then down below it you'll see the bin icon, so select on that, and then you'll be asked delete that particular card. If you want to remove it or if you want to delete it, select confirm, and that particular card will be removed from your Xbox Series X. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.